Hello, I'm Jodi Ginsberg of Ginsberg Law Offices, and today I want to talk to you about your deposition. And folks sometimes think there are going to be trick questions at a deposition, or how do they prepare for their deposition? And no question that it can be a stressful, nerve-wracking time. We have been practicing law for 29 years and preparing our clients for depositions. And let me say to you that, of course, the most important thing you can do is be honest. When you hire me, you're going to get a very, very detailed questionnaire. And I am very detailed in my questionnaire because I want to get as much information from you as possible. And then once you send me that information back, I'm going to go over it with you. And the reason I do that is, one, so I can learn about you and your case and your background and your prior motor vehicle accidents and prior workers' comp claims and prior medical conditions. And it's not because I'm trying to be nosy. It's because I know what's coming down the lane if in fact we have to go to a deposition and if in fact we have to go to court. And so the more that you tell me, the more I can help you in preparing for your deposition. Like I said, when you sit down for a deposition, 99% of the time you're going to be asked questions like if you've ever had a prior motor vehicle accident and or sustained injuries, if you've ever had a prior workers' compensation case and sustained injuries, if you've ever had a slip and fall case, if you've ever been at the emergency room, hospitals. If you do not give me the information, and you do not give the information to the opposing attorney that's asking the questions, the lack of information or falsifying information can come back and really, really hurt your workers' compensation case, because down the line, the insurance adjuster, the insurance company attorney, and potentially the judge is looking at your credibility. They're looking at what other medical conditions you might have had that may play into this work injury. The more upfront and honest you can be, because it's going to come out, because they're going to get your medical records, the better it is going to be for you. In addition, when you're talking to me, when you first hire me, I'm going to tell you what I am very much concerned about in your background as it affects potentially this workers' comp case. They also ask about a criminal history. It also discusses what you told your employer when you got hired, whether they relied on certain facts that you told them about your medical history. And so there's very fine lines and nuances as to what needs to come out, what needs to be told, but always telling the truth is going to be the best solution. So for everybody's case, and depending upon your fact situation, what the issues are, we will prepare you and get you ready for your deposition. And being upfront and honest with me, if I'm your lawyer, is going to be the most important thing you can do. If you have questions about what to do for your deposition coming up, what to do for your hearing that's coming up, how to handle your case, please give me a call. I'm more than happy to share the information with you and get you ready. I'm at 770-351-0801. Thank you. Hi, this is Jodi, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to know more about all rights and benefits available to you under the Georgia Workers' Injury Laws, I'd like to invite you to download my Georgia Workers' Compensation Survival Kit that I created for folks just like you. Some of the topics I cover include: can I get fired for filing a work injury claim? 8 critical mistakes to avoid. Is it true that the insurance company will hire a private investigator to follow me around and videotape my activities? What happens when the insurance company is late with my weekly wage payments? 7 specific tactics I recommend to maximize your case settlement value. If you or a loved one needs to maximize your recovery from your Georgia workers' compensation claim, you'll find this survival kit important reading. Download your survival kit right now and at no cost. Just visit my website and sign up. It's that easy. Please act now, and as always, I wish you the best.